Hey YouTube, it's your fave Bree and welcome back to my channel. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Cause if you watching then why you not subscribing? But anyways, today we're gonna be trying Fanta Zero Sugar. And it's a mystery drink. And I'm gonna guess what the mystery drink is, cause it's tough. And this came out July, I believe, because I looked it up on Google. Yeah, July. And I hate drinks that's zero sugar. The first drink I tried was zero sugar, was I think either Pepsi or Coca-Cola, but I think it was Coca-Cola. It was one of those, but I do not like it. It tastes like sugar. It say zero sugar, but it tastes like sugar. And the drinks that ain't zero sugar tastes like it got sugar in it, if that makes sense. Or it tastes like it's less sugar in it, if that makes sense. It tastes like it's the complete opposite. But yeah, I'm gonna try to chug this, and I'm gonna try to do it without burping too, cause why not? So it looked like it's blueberry. I think it's gonna taste like blueberry. It looked like it could probably taste like cotton candy, something. I don't know. It say mystery drink, caffeine free, find clues, what the Fanta, hashtag what the Fanta, question mark. 0 calories per bottle. See, I already know this gonna be nasty. 0 calories? Like, why? Contains no juice. I don't know. We finna see what's to it. And like I said, I'm gonna try not to burp. What does it smell like? I don't know. It smells like blueberry or something. I don't know. We're gonna see what's to it. And no, this video is not sponsored. I wish. If y'all want to sponsor me, feel to sponsor me. Well, let's get to it. Okay. I hate the aftertaste. I can't even describe it. I heard it be changing colors too, but I don't see it. But let's see. Let's finish this. I dropped some. Oh, this is nasty. You could barely taste acid. Like, it's acid there, but it ain't strong. Hold on. I lied. This is so nasty. And you could barely taste the flavor. As far as I say, it tastes like probably cotton candy. That's how much I got to, because this stuff is nasty. My taste buds hate me. I will never do this again. Y'all better like this video, because I'm doing this for y'all. Tastes like a little bit of cotton candy with hella acid with water. That's exactly what this tastes like. And I ain't messing with it. This is horrible. I can't even burp. I feel it all in my stomach. I'm gonna wash this down with some water right after this, because this aftertaste is a no. It's a hell no. Y'all know I can make myself burp without drinking nothing. Yeah, that's one of my little techniques. I don't know if many people can do that, but they probably can, but I don't care. I feel like I'm the only one that can do that. My stomach hurts. Hold on. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I just got interrupted. And no, I did not cheat, so I'm gonna finish this pop. The acid probably done went down because I took too long, but if y'all tried this, let me know in the comments down below how y'all feel about this, because I give this a 2 out of 10. I feel like if I do this one more time, I'm gonna burp. I'm almost done though. Something like that. Y'all see it. It's gonna be like last time. My other 2 previous videos. If y'all haven't seen the other 2 previous videos that I did, I think one was Pepsi or Sprite. Go check that out. This hurts. I didn't even put enough dye, food coloring, whatever the fuck they be putting in here to make your tongue be like a darker blue or whatever. My stomach hurt. This is literally like one more swallow. Big ass bug. I'm gonna brush my teeth after this. This taste is horrible. Alright, I'm done. I finished it without burping, so I won. Give me my flowers, because I won. But y'all want to see me burp, because since I'm done, might as well. My stomach hurt. I can't even get it out. Hold on. I wasn't even bad, but I still got something in me. Okay, I think that was it. My stomach don't feel bloated no more. Alright, that was the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all tried that pop before, because it just came out in July, which was last month, let me know in the comments down below. Oh, I'm done. And if y'all did try it before, let me know how y'all feel about the drink down in the comments. Because me personally, I do not like it. 2 out of 10. I hate drinks with 0 sugar. Give me all the sugar. Thank you. But yeah, this is the end of the video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.